So here we go, guys. This is your RVS front side. As you can see, there's a lot of space here. It's nice, easy to work on back, and lots of mounting options for the stack, for the motors, and lots of space for a battery here. So here we go, and you're left with one arm and lots of goodies here. Here we go, guys. RVS Rotor Village, thank you. And today I want to talk to you about this particular frame. It was sent to me by Rotor Village, and this is a RVS SmolYeet35. Before we begin, I want to apologize about the sound. I did bring my external mic, but I ran out of battery. I guess I wasn't prepared, but I need to do the video today because I have other engagement. So sorry about the sound. I hope you can hear me. So what I want to tell you is that this frame is really awesome. So it was sent to me once again by Rotor Village in Canada. I did not pay for the frame, but I paid for all the other components inside. And I put a DJI O3 air unit. I put a Mamba F722 40 amp, and I used a 1804 Gepard C PDX 4S motors, and I am using a ELRS with a small ceramic EP2 with a ceramic antenna. So I try to keep it as light as possible, but after being built and after all the struggle, I had a lot of struggle to put this frame together. I bought a SPDB stack. This was defective from factory, and then I bought another stack, a Skystar, but it was too big to fit inside. So, and finally I got this Mamba F22, and it's just great, it fits perfectly. But the only thing I would say that it's a small frame, it's not very high, it's a 20, that's a 20, is it 20 millimeters or 15 millimeter standoff? And I think I would use a all-in-one ESC and FC next time, because I had a really hard time putting the receiver and the capacitor inside the frame. So once you put your O3 and your stack and your camera, there's like, it's very limited with space, okay? And then the other thing is that the drone is advertised as no prop in view, but if you're using it with a O3, the camera is so wide that I could not mount it on the top, on the first standoff. I had to mount it on the second standoff, and the camera is sitting too far back. So what happened is that you will see in the video, you can see the top of the frame and you can see the props. And to me, it's not a big deal because I'm posting videos on YouTube and I am not using this professionally. So I think it's okay, but if it really bothers you, you can always crop in post. You can shoot 4K, quality is very good. If you crop a little bit, no one will see the difference, okay? And what else? Yeah, I got all the, so it comes without the 3D print. So I got this from Johnny Reeve, like another guy I met online in the community on Facebook, really good, I love the colors. So it came, the drone came with like gold standoff and gold hardware, so we did the 3D print yellow and black to match the theme of the frame, okay? So overall, yeah, I love the way it flies. Because the props are a little bit bigger, but you have the same weight as a 3-inch frame. So what happened is that it feels like a little bit more stable in flight, and it seems a little bit more floaty. That's my feeling from flying it, you know? Yeah. The footprint is the same, it's just like the arms are a little bit longer, so you can use like longer prop. On my Quad Mula, it is exactly the same body size, except like the propellers are a tiny bit smaller, you know, it's a 3-inch compared to a 3.5 inch. So yeah, there is a small flight characteristic difference, but nothing to rave about. Overall, I would say it flies pretty much the same. I'm still new at flying this frame, so I haven't pushed it too hard. I'm still not comfortable with it, and so I'll take it easy as my first flight, and you will see in the video. And then yeah, other than that, I'm loving it. I just wish that Oh yeah, I just wish the skid were a little bit taller so you could land without scratching the frame, that's it. But that's the way the skids were designed. And then, yeah, nothing else. So after the flight, we'll take it back on the bench and I will show you the build process and talk to you about the frame, okay? And then if you're curious about this frame, you can always contact Rotor Village in Canada. They're very good guys. They're always here for the community and they're very helpful. Okay guys, so enjoy the flight.
RVS.